today's video is a get ready with me video. Remember, click like, subscribe, keep watching. Right, so a lot of this makeup, I haven't really been using makeup for a while now. It's just one of those things, I suppose. So I've been looking at my makeup and looking at what I need to be using up as well. So I'm going to use Speckled Tinted Under Makeup Primer, Earth Real by Laura Geller. I love this stuff, especially in the summer. I think it's brilliant because when I first got this, I can remember thinking, oh, I don't know about powder foundation, but it really works for the summer. So I thought, perfect today. It's a nice day outside. Makes a change, doesn't it? So while I'm just letting that go into the skin, I'm just going to use my Gosh Defining Brow Gel just to up these brows a little bit. And then I'm going to take Highbrow Benefit just to tidy it up a little bit. Like so. Now this is dried into my skin, I'm now going to use the actual foundation, which is Baked Balance Brightening Foundation in Fair. Right, so this one I bought a little while ago and I haven't even opened it yet, and this is Collection Prime and Ready Correct and Conceal. It's got the Collection primer in it that is really good, and it's got the the 3 colour correctors. I am not needing any of these. Let me just see if there's a... Yeah, so I don't need to use these. I just thought I would try the concealer again because I've not been using concealer for a while now. Put some on my lids just to lighten it all up. That was one of my favourite concealers a good couple of years ago, so I never know. Right, so before I do my eyes, I am now going to use Makeup Revolution, the trio. One for bronzing, one for lightening, and that's it. Then I'm going to now use another Makeup Revolution, the Blushing Hearts blush. This one's beautiful because it's got 3 different tones of pink to it. Another Makeup Revolution is the highlighter, and it's a dropper highlighter. But I tried it when I first got it. It's lovely stuff, but I don't know, I just think I prefer powder. Right, and then I'm going to use Gosh Prep and Prime for that bit. And then I'm going to get on with my eyes. I normally do it the other way around, but I thought I'm going to see how I feel whether I wanted to do my eyes today or not. So, eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Lorac Pro. Need my glasses. Right, so I'm just going to go in with a very sort of light-ish brown. And then I'm going to use a very dark brown on my hoods. I'm going to go in with this champagne on my lids. I'm just going to take my black eyeliner . And a brown eyeliner. And then take the smudge off. And then last but not least, I'm going to use Freedom lipstick. Doesn't say the name on it. Just seems a little bit weird because I say I've not had a full face of makeup on for a little while now, so yeah, I'll get back into it. So yeah, so that's just me just trying to get some of this makeup out the way and see what I remember, what I liked and didn't about things. I know what I didn't like, and that was my concealer. I forgot. I knew I hadn't been wearing it for a while, but I forgot what it looked like, so don't like concealer anymore on me. As far as this is concerned, I mean, I'm going to have to tan this up a little bit. But as far as the foundation, Laura Geller stuff, yes, that is going to be something I will be purchasing again. I don't like the liquid highlighters. I'm going to stick to mine. I mean, I will use it, obviously. But yeah, so there you go. That is my makeup for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you want to see more, subscribe. So remember, beauties, always do what makes you happy. Bye.